You know, there's nothing worse than a dishonest judge and a lying prosecutor. Come on, let's face it. Everybody has probably had a chance to see how these courtrooms and prosecutors lie and use lies to get other people in trouble. This is actually really horrible, and it's a crime to make false statements and force other people to make false statements. But we see it happens all the time. It's always happening in these courts in California and other states. My name is Billy Earley, and I am running for Congress in the California's 44th District. I need your support and help to get me into office so I can pass my anti-judiciary corruption legislation. My anti-judiciary corruption legislation will put an end to dishonest judges and lying prosecutors and DAs once and for all. It's cost effective, and we can make the judges and the prosecutors pay a baseline fee to cover the cost. We can collect the fees similar to how they collect the fees from the attorneys and doctors. They have to pay through like membership, state bar, and other medical board and other avenues. Here's how the anti-judiciary corruption legislation is going to work. 1, all judges and prosecutors have case assignments. 2, every defendant or plaintiff will get a chance to fill out a survey at the end of each case. This is important. 3, the survey will ask 7 simple questions about the case. Like, do you think the prosecutor lied? I think that's important. We want to know from the person in front of the judge who's being prosecuted by the prosecutor, do he think that that prosecutor lied? 4, the federal judge and the prosecutors will submit to a mandatory lie detection system given twice a year. This is important because the lie detection test will test and see if they're lying, if they're telling the truth. 5, a small committee of 3 individuals for each of the communities will be paid to review all of the lie detection graphs and the surveys. So we have 3 people that's from the community where the court is at, around in that community, and that have no ties to the courts, no ties to the justice system, that are like jurors. They will look at this information, the polygraphs, and they will also look at these surveys. And 6, if the prosecutor or the judge fails 2 lie detection tests and 2 of the committee panel's rules that the judge or the prosecutor did violate the specific questions that they were asked on those lie detection tests, then they will be fired. It's simple as that. This is the only way to restore justice to the court. Once their jobs are on the line, they will seek truth and nothing but the truth. So help them God. Judges and prosecutors have immunity, but lying and cheating the public is a crime and a huge violation of their oaths of office. So they got immunity, but now they can be fired for not upholding the law and taking the law into their own hands. By threatening their bottom line, we altered their behavior. And this will create a system of justice where due process and constitutional protections are upheld by the third branch of government. Click on the button below to donate and share this video with all your friends. Lying, cheating, abusing their powers, abusing their position, abusing their office, harassing people. These are all violations that we can control as the people. And by voting me in office, I will push my legislation. My name is Billy Earley, and I accept this message.